wants, I'm a comedian. I need to know what I'm going up against. You know, I'm trying to get some laughs going on this flight here. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Yep, here we go. The comedians on the plane with the peanuts. Yeah, these things are notoriously hard to open. I mean, hey, someone get me the jaws of life in here, alright folks? Or it's like Mr. Peanuts on the plane and he's calling for help, like, someone help me get these dang things open. I got family in there. Yeah, classic. I should get some material going on the overhead luggage rack as well, you know? Just maybe like I reach up there and a bag falls on my head. Just get some classic Three Stooges slapstick comedy going on here, you know? Get everybody on the plane laughing. Man, that'd be so freaking cool if I did that, though. That's the great thing about being on a plane up in the air. You see, normally when I'm in a public place, security can just escort me out, be done with it. But when you're in the air, there's nowhere to run. Up there, up here, no one can hear you scream. Am I right, folks? You know, that'd just be so freaking cool if I got thrown in the brig mid-flight. Or what if I just, like, randomly disappear and then Jodie Foster has to find me, like in Flight Plan? Man, that'd be so freaking cool. It's like we're just on Jeffrey Epstein's plane and he's trying to traffic me, but Jodie Foster is there. And I think she's trying to save me, but really, she's in on it too because she's another Hollywood actor. I'm just like, oh, thank God Jodie Foster is here. Quick, save me. And then she's just like, sorry, Kumbi. Just like all the other Hollywood actors, I'm a sex freak. And tonight, you're my prize. Then she takes me to the brig and extracts my adrenochrome with an elephant tranquilizer. Man, that'd be so freaking cool, you know? Just getting sex trafficked by Jodie Foster. She honestly wouldn't even have to do it to me. I'd willingly give her my adrenochrome because I'm such a big fan, you know? Panic Room. Remember that movie? She earned my adrenochrome the day she gave the performance of a lifetime opposite a young Kristen Stewart. Yeah, Contact. Now that was a good one too. Anyway, I should probably sign off for now before they throw me out of here, you know? Vidcon, baby. I honestly can't believe I'm going to Vidcon. I hope I get to meet Anita Sarkeesian so I can bait her into yelling at me so it'll go viral. That could be my big break, you know? And I don't care what anyone says. Anita Sarkeesian is fine. Might have to pull up on her, I don't know yet. For now, we got the peanuts right there. We got the airplane. I'm a comedian in my natural habitat. I gotta go get some laughs going though. My audience awaits, so wish me luck. Just gonna take a quick dump here and I'm out. VidCon, baby. Lots of videos coming, so I'm out. Peace.